How does one learn to love again after giving so much at first only to get hurt? Picking up the pieces has been a struggle. All my life and all that I knew was so bleak. The world around me was becoming smaller, silent, and more vague by the second. I felt sorrow, loneliness, and emptiness, as if I am missing a part of me that was forcefully taken away from me. I was so caught up in my darkness that I could not realize that my destiny was standing right in front of me. He came closer, but I pushed him away. His persistence to be part of this confusing life of mine was all just too much to take in. But deeper and deeper and deeper we went, and I fell in love. I gave in. He made me his, and I made him mine. For the first time in my life, there's a light, and I can see it. I can learn to love again.